Hi everyone, it's Art from Mancarman, just another job. So we've done wall cupboards, we've done pretty much all base cupboards except that side there. There's a couple more cupboards to fit and a wardrobe. I've got fillet to put in there, then door to swing back on and finish these drawer fronts. And customer also is willing to tile this splashback, so I will do that for them. Need to bond this up so there's something to stick to tiles to, which I'm gonna do tonight. And yeah, we're sort of getting there, I think, slowly but surely. It's coming together. Also, I need to finish extractor hood cut into the cornice. It's another little job I need to do. Hope you've been enjoying it, and catch up with you in another video. Right, it's me again. Just a quick update. This is what we did with that fillet. So what I've done, I've requested a door. So when you look at it, you know, it also, that edge is veneered. If you see, that edge is veneered. For the gap, what I have done to push away, I've used gel pads behind, so it mimics the same position where door would sit normally. So if you got your end panel, or sorry, carcass edge, you would have gel pads, so door wouldn't touch the end panel, carcass, sorry. So it would touch the gel pad, so hence why I put gel pads behind, so it pushes it out, and when you actually close the door, it's flush. So so yeah, that's what I've done. Also, before you, just going back to the beginning, before you fit, you need to double check, because rooms are never square, and you know, when they measure these pre-made kitchens, this here showed that our end panel will be or that middle panel will be 48mm, which it wasn't. It was I think 43 or 40mm, so it's 8mm difference. So in this case, because you got two corner posts, etc., you what I've done, if you remember, I've fitted this corner in, that unit and this unit, then I fitted the other side in, and the gap was what was left basically. So if I would have gone, so fitted this corner, fitted that unit in, next one, and allowed 48mm and fitted the unit here, then the door wouldn't be able to be fitted, because obviously it would have been 8mm too small, the gap. So hence why you're better off in this occasion, if you got like a U-shaped one, you put two corners in first, and then the fillet is what is left. You just trim it afterwards, and then you shouldn't have a problem. So pretty much we have done with the kitchen. Plinth's been cut, they're in the garage, ready for when the floor is done. So I'm gonna put them in later on. All I need to do is stick a edging strip there, edging strip there, The customer asked me if I could put some tiles on, which I will do tomorrow, like a splashback. That should be straightforward. I need to fill that in. For that, obviously then I can fit the hob once installed, and silicone and whatnot. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that sort of. I forgot to tell you, everyone, I still got to fit the door like this on there. That's a boiler, and then I've got a couple units here and a wardrobe to match this wardrobe. So that's what we're gonna be doing next. But the kitchen is done, carpentry side anyway. So yeah, so I've tried to follow the gap, so the gap follows through, you know. So that was my aim. That's what you want to try always to do. So I think it worked out for us. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this, and we'll catch up in next video. units Howdens from Mancaroni. Just an update. Right, so we have finished kitchen fitting. The hood is up. That was last bit I had to do. What I had to do, because there's a cornice at the top, so I've dropped the bracket down, drilled a new hole, so you still get a fixing, because otherwise originally it comes right at the top. So that's what I did for that. So this is the couple of units in here. That is some storage in there, some storage in there. New wardrobe, new door. So this basically is just cladded in new stuff. So that's cladded. This is obviously new bit, new kitchen. I got to stick these on these corners, which I'm gonna do now, because I keep forgetting about it. And yeah, we're done. It's the fridge, drawers. Oh, what we got there? Cardboard. It's a unit there, garden unit. Need to sweep again. Sweep and a clean. There's a sink. A sink unit. That's the wall cupboards there, with some shelves and etc., which I need to trim. Funny enough, I forgot about them. Because the wall has got a belly in it, so they're not sitting properly. A shelf there, a shelf there, a drawer, and then obviously oven and all the other bits and pieces, and then another storage unit there. So, you know, it's a fair bit now and then. The wall cupboard there. So yeah, it's a lot more from what it used to be. I hope you enjoyed this sort of work, and we'll catch up with you in next videos. Hi everyone, it's Howdens from Main County. Just an update on a job. We finally have done it. The floor's been laid as well, so today we came in and finished silkening. The electrician's been here as well. They finished their bits, so I think it turned out to be quite okay. Quite a lot of storage. Paint is going to come in and do painting later on. Customers are dealing with painting themselves, they organising that themselves, so I hope you enjoyed this sort of video. Like a normal kitchen fitting only basically, and upgrade on the kitchen. I'll just show you what we got. Well, it's already, customers put their stuff in, so already starting using, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed this sort of video, and we'll catch up with you in the next video.